The HODLer Market configuration is the third and final step of the HODLer Market creation process. This is the last part before you get your market up and running. Once you have successfully deployed and initialized your market, you have the ability to configure it further. During the market deployment stage, as you can see on the screen, you set the collateral or base token, the collateral model or the oracle model, the loan currencies, and the collateral factor for your HODLer market. In this step, in market configuration, you'll be configuring more things such as the lockup mechanism, the interest rate model, and the incentives for your market. So when you click down here on the Configure the HODLer Market button, you will see three configurable sections: maturity date, loan APR range, and mining rewards. We will look into these sections one at a time, starting with the maturity date. Have you ever been worried about mercenary capital coming to your project? Most Web3 projects want to build strong and loyal communities. Pump and dump schemes done by mercenaries are greatly detrimental to a project's progress and long-term sustainability. The HODLer Market gives creators the option to set a maturity date as a lockup mechanism for the base token of their market and determine when the loan is due. This function is optional. However, by setting up a maturity date, you can avoid the death spiral many projects fall into by having depositors of the market HODL their tokens for a period of time, thus decreasing the selling pressure of the token. The good news is that unlike other programs that require users to lock funds, the HODLer Market enables the user's locked assets to be used as collateral, to borrow against them, and thus unlocking more capital without having to sell their tokens. Going back to the UI, you can configure the maturity date for your market in any way you'd like. 3, 6, 12 months, a custom date, or none if you choose not to set it, which are right here, these buttons. Now, the next configurable section is the loan APR range. This is where HODLer Market creators set the interest rate model or IRM for their market. And before moving more deeply into the loan APR range, I just want to set the maturity date of my market to 3 months in this case. Going down to the loan APR range, you can choose the APR rate for both deposits and loans of the base token based on its utilization rate. The range of possible APRs goes from 3% to 300. Some projects ask if they need to provide these APRs in the form of project tokens, and the answer is no. The APRs are calculated based on the utilization rate of your market. For more information about how the APR is calculated, please visit our docs under the Loan APR Range section. You will find the link to the definer docs in the description below. A quick tip on how to set your APR range is to look at other incentive programs that you have for your token currently, and set the APRs at a slightly lower rate than the rewards that are being offered, say in a staking program, so that your users can borrow at a lower rate and they can earn. When setting the IRM for your base token, we highly recommend that you do what is best for your project and community. For this example, I will set my IRM from 3% to 5%. The last section of the HODLer Market is the configuration process. In this configuration process is setting up your mining rewards. The mining reward section enables Web3 projects to further incentivize users to deposit into and interact with their HODLer Market. In other words, this configuration allows HODLer Market creators to input an amount of token rewards and distribute these rewards amongst the different crypto asset pools in the isolated market. These rewards are completely optional for the HODLer Market creator, but highly recommended. This first empty box that you see here is for the total amount of rewards denominated in the base token of your market that you will be dedicating to this HODLer Market. At the bottom right corner of this box, you will see the total balance of the token in your wallet. You can input the amount of rewards up to the total balance available in your wallet. Say if you hit max. In this example, I will do 1,000 tokens, in this case spin tokens, for mining rewards for my HODLer Market. Please note that unlike the loan APR range section, in which APRs are set by the utilization rate of the market, the mining rewards are incentives provided by the HODLer Market creator. If you want to change or not provide the mining rewards at the beginning, but provide them later, you can do so by contacting us on our socials and our Discord server and providing those rewards using the HODLer Market contract that will be explained by the members of the Definer core team. Now that you have selected the mining rewards that you want for your token, the next step is to allocate this reward to the different crypto asset pools. This allocation is by percentage down here. If I choose to provide 50% of my total mining rewards to this pool, let's say the Fin pool, 50%, that means that 500 out of the 1,000 tokens will be attached to this pool to be given to depositors as reward. The same goes for the other pools. In this case, I will do 50, 25, and 25%. Once you have finished setting up your mining rewards, your very last step before going live is to click on the Configure HODLer Market button. In this case, configure HODLer Market 62 or whatever your market ID is. Click on it, see the different characteristics and configurations of your market, and once everything is done and ready, you configure the market. Here is going to ask you to pay the small fee, on-chain fee, confirm. And it's been a success. Now you're done. Now you can go to your market, in this case, market 62. Go to your market and check out your brand new HODLer Market. To learn in more detail about how to use the HODLer Market, please watch the How to Use the HODLer Market video series on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below or join online communities to get in touch with the Definer team. Thank you so much.